Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Shade Boo. I'm sitting here in the car with husband, and I got him something for the car, and so he's trying to connect it. But this morning was a little challenging with Royalty because she got enough sleep, but she just gets up and she's just like, she doesn't want to go to school. She doesn't want to go to school. She don't like the school, all this stuff, right? So me and her dad, we ended up getting her to school. She did get to school late, but she was in a good mood when she got there. And she saw her favorite, Miss Diane. Shout out to Miss Diane. And Miss Diane took her to class. And then after that, me and her husband went to go get some gas. He tricked me because I thought I was going home to my house. And we ended up getting on the highway. And after that, we stopped by Dunkin'. Got me a vanilla chai. Vanilla chai. It was good, but it wasn't hot, so I had to take it back inside. And normally before, when somebody would get my order wrong or they would mess up, I would get really, really irritated. I am really trying to practice big deal, small deal. I told y'all about it. If it's a big deal, then it's something to cry over. If it's a small deal, then you just let it go. So, I realized that it wasn't hot. It was like lukewarm, even a little bit cooler than lukewarm. And so I took it back in and I just let the lady know, excuse me, this is not hot. It's like a little warm. And she felt it and she was like, oh, I'm so sorry. I'll do it again. I said, okay, no problem. So it's not what you say, it's how you say it, respectfully. There's no need to go in there and be like, oh, my shit ain't hot enough. Do it over. And throwing coffee and stuff at her. Some people get really, really crazy. I don't go that far, but I used to get really irritated. And I used to be like, oh, God. And even sometimes my husband would be like, Shade, it's not that serious. Like, but, you know, it was something for me to work on. So I am, you know, coming around. I try to deal with people with grace. I want to be dealt with grace because I don't do everything right. So you got to give people the same grace you want. And yeah, so that's it. Now we have to stay here till 12:30, babe. So it's alternate. That's what they call it, babe. Alternate side parking, right? I'm not a driver. I'm a princess passenger. So we have to stay here till 12:30. Even though I think I'm gonna leave husband here because I want to go start that last load of laundry that I have. It's Friday. I don't want to be doing laundry late. But I could put my stuff in and I could come back around the corner. Well, what time is it? Oh, 11:30. 1 hour. My stuff could even be done in 1 hour. So yeah. Oh, and we also, I'm gonna put a little clip right here. Can I put that clip in, Greg? You think I could put that clip in? Maybe not the back of her. Maybe the front when she turned around and just... Yeah, I'm going to put a little clip in because I tell y'all in New York... A matter of fact, I'm going to even include another clip too that I have of something else that happened with me and my sister in the car. With
the Sirius XM app.
Blame. So it seems like, right, the first clip is a woman who, she is just, right now she should, everybody seems to know this girl. We don't know her personally, we just know her from seeing her, and she's always outside and she's always dancing, like grinding, like really dancing like she's out in a nightclub or something. And she doesn't wear any clothes. When I say she doesn't wear any clothes, I mean like she has on little bati riders. If you don't know what bati rider is, they are like extremely little pants that's almost like panties. And she has on like a crop top, and She's just always out. Mind you, it is 22 degrees. I don't know why she was outside today doing this, but in the middle of the street. This is the clip right here. And the next clip is me and my sister, Vicky. We're driving. And you know, you always have, what do they call them? It's a word for them. I don't like to call them beggars. But it's a, what is it called, Greg? There's a word.
Hi, it's Jim.
It's not pan.
We're taking
Is it
some
pan?
much needed R&R, but like some of
There's
you,
a word
I've been
anyway.
listening
Like
to
a
longer
homeless man.
form
There's a word
podcasts
for it
over the
though.
holidays.
When people
And
beg,
while I'm away,
asking for
I'm
stuff.
posting some of my
It's called
favorites from this
something.
year.
Nobody says a
Share
beggar.
it
I saw a
with
beggar.
the
It's
hashtag
yeah, baby, he's
trending
homeless,
and
but it's called
cybersecurity
something like
today.
pan something.
Cybersecurity today would
It's
like
an
to
old
thank
school
leaders for
word.
their
I just
support
don't want to
and
be
bringing
disrespectful and
podcasts.
call him a beggar. But basically, he
Leaders
was a
delivered
homeless
the
man.
complete networking stack,
And he created a new
wires,
way of
cables,
asking
and
for some
cellular
money.
in
And
one
I'm not
integrated
mad because it
solution
seemed like
that's built
he
for
don't want to get close
performance
to
and
us.
scale. You can find them
And
at
so that clip is going to be right here.
CST.
And I just, look at this.
Welcome
I can't
to
believe it.
Cybersecurity Today
So
on the weekend.
the
My
things
guest
that go
is
on in New
Brian
York
Black.
City,
He's the head of
you
security
can't come here and
engineering
don't have
at
an
a firm
experience.
called
That's my whole
Deep
point.
Instinct.
You cannot go
And a
come to
former
New York
Black
City
Hat
and don't
hacker,
experience
now
the
batting for
funny,
our
the
team,
madness,
Good
the
Guys.
crazy, the
Brian's been
exciting,
using his
the
skills
just
recently,
it all.
ethically testing
So is that
73
Santiago, babe?
security vendors, and the results, we'll get to that. But first, I want to
Oh,
get to know
that might have been the car, the
fascinating
truck
guy.
that moved from there.
So,
Yeah,
let's
so
introduce you first of all. You as well.
yes, today I have on, it's really cold, my
And I'll
furries,
get
and
into
they're
where
very
you're working
warm,
now, but
I
like,
must tell you.
then
A brand reached out to me and wanted me to model some of their stuff, and these were a part of the things they wanted me to model. So yeah, these were my first pair. I didn't even think about getting these actually, but yeah, but they're very, very warm if you are looking forward, you know, to getting a pair. They are warm. You can't buy just from anywhere. Quality just does matter because you do want your feet to be warm and not like you're walking on the ground. So yeah. But other than that, babe, is it connecting? What's one thing about my husband, when he is trying to do something, even if it doesn't like come together the first round, he's going to stick it through until it does.
So, I did that
That's
for a
what
number of
matters.
years, and really